Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai Sobat Hebat Matsa Surba, you are watching Matsa Surba YouTube channel. I'm Ratna Hidayati and we will have Matsa Surba online English lesson grade 7 semester 1. Our topic today is numbers, part 1, days. The materials of this topic are covered in Basic Competences 3.3. The materials in this topic will be days, telling time, and numbers. But in this lesson, I will only focus on days. Okay. Before we start, let's recite Basmalah first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. May Allah let our heart be filled with light and insight and understanding and knowledge. Amin. Right. This is a calendar. Right? A calendar tells about the days, weeks, and months of the year. Right, what is a day? Okay, look at this. This is our Earth, right? The Earth spins. And one time around is one day. Okay. And then, what is a week? Right, a week has 7 days. Okay, the days are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And one more, Saturday. So, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Can you repeat after me? I will repeat once again, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, Sunday is the first day of the week. Now, what about Monday? Monday is the second day of the week. Great. Let's continue. Tuesday. Right. Tuesday is the third day of the week. And Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. What about Thursday? Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Friday is the sixth day of the week. And Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Right, so there are 7 days in a week. Let's move on to questions and answers related to days. The first question. What day is it today? Today is blah blah blah. What day was it yesterday? Yesterday was blah blah blah. What day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be blah blah blah. What day was it What day was it 3 days ago? It was blah blah blah. Right. The blanks here you have to fill in with the name of the days. Okay, so the answer will depend on what day you were at that day. Okay, now let's discuss about months. Do you know what month is? Okay, there are about 30 days a month. Right, then how many months are there in a year? Do you know? Right, there are 12 months in a year. Great. Okay, let's continue. Now, let's name the months in a year. The first is January. Will you repeat after me? Okay. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Right, those are the names of the months. Great. Now, do you know January? Okay. January is the blah 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 month of the year. Do you still remember? Okay, it's the first month of the year. Now, what about February? February is the second month of the year. And March is the third month of the year. April. April is the fourth month of the year. May is the fifth month of the year. June is the sixth month of the year. Okay, let's continue. Now, the seventh month. Do you still remember? Right, let's check now. Right, July. July is the seventh month of the year. What about August? Right, August is the eighth month of the year. Right, next, September. September is the ninth of the year. October. October is the 10th month of the year. What is the month after October? Do you still remember? Right, November. So, November is the 11th month of the year. And you must remember the last month of the year, right? It's December, because there are 12 months of the year. So, December is the 12th month of the year. Great. Okay. Well, now, Do you know the numbers of days in a month? Okay, some months have 30 days. Okay, the months are April, June, September, November, and some months have 30 days. And the months are January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Okay, and only February has different numbers of the day. Okay, February has 28 days, or sometimes it has 29 days. Now let's continue to learn how to say the date. Please pay attention on the example. The date today is August 3rd, 2020. Okay, in this example, we state the month first. Okay, so August here is the name of the month. And then we state the day of the month. And after that, the year. Okay, now let's have a different example. The date today is 3rd of August, 2020. Okay, here we first state the day of the month. And after that, the name of the month. And the last is the year. Okay, now let's repeat to say the date. The date today is August 3rd, 2020. Or we can also say the date today is the 3rd of August, 2020. Now, please pay attention on some examples of asking and answering about special dates. The first question: when is your birthday? The answer can be: my birthday is October 14th. Or you can also answer it by saying, the date of my birth is October 14th, 2008. Okay, let's continue with the second question. What date is today? The answer will be like this. It's the 2nd of September, 2020. Now, the next question. When is Indonesia's Independence Day? Do you know the answer? Right, it's August 17th. Well, this is the end of this video lesson. Let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you so much for your attention. We will see you again on the second part. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.